Welcome, today I'm with FAIRPHONE 3 and I'll show you how to check Android version. First of all, go to Settings, scroll down, tap on About the phone and scroll down again. Tap on Android version so you can check. Now the Android version is 10, and when you keep tapping you will open the Easter egg of the Android 10. If you want to close that, you just can tap on the home button or just swipe that. Okay, if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, a comment and subscribe our channel.